Okay, who wants to ask a question? Anybody?
Were you mad that we took your flashlights away?
Wait, okay, were you mad that we took your flashlights away from you? That's him. No, you weren't mad?
It's like,
Uh-huh.
now it's
Look at
moving
that
now.
fucker.
No.
Good, I'm glad we didn't make you mad, because you've been really a lot of fun tonight.
You guys are
You're
sweet.
very playful.
Very sweet
That's
girls.
amazing.
Good
Spiked
girls.
again.
It went up to red on that one.
Good girls.
Good job. Good job, girls. Okay, I'm going to take it off. Okay, ready? I'm going to stop it.
We want to thank you so much for being with us tonight and hanging out with us. So, do you consider us your friends? Remember, away from Dan is yes.
Are we your friends now? Yay.
That's so good. Good job.
Awesome, guys. We're very happy that we're your friends.
We would love to come see you again.
We
Thanks
had
for hanging
so
out
much
with
fun
us.
with you. That is the craziest effing thing.
K2.
It's like every time.
Uh-huh. Awesome. Thank you, guys. You're our friends, too. You have nothing to worry about with